Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we are going to have some special mukbangs, and we have started preparing for the curry. See, only this 1 kilo for today mukbang, and this is the tail, this is the tongue, and this is the ear. Ear.
Big
You
ear.
have this mukbang.
Like my hand. Very big.
Like this.
Yeah. This is
Này nó lay lên ngọn xi hình chứ nào?
Boil for 30 minutes. Hello guys, now it's been some 20 to 30 minutes, so we need to put some salt and then chili powder. Okay? I think nice.
very plenty. Hello, Baya. How are you guys?
Now I can't have it, boy.
I know. Starting from noisy so.
I have put some salt, so now you put chili powder.
We're gonna eat them today.
You put some capsicum and all. We're going to cook here. We're going to pressurize. This is the pig head. Get this. Oh my god. Mouth watering. This is for well. And here's carrot. This conceivable.
แต่กระสุคิวลอยน้ำบำเท
Tao tí chủ khuya này là bầm thê.
กระตังตู้กันนั่นตัดไก่บำเท
Cái cày nó bầm thê.
ให้รวยตังกันนี่จะให้โฮมหรือโฮมเป็นอะแทกบำเทตัว
Thế rồi tao nói là hay gùm thì là thê bầm thê.
แทกตามบอกว่าปรดสวดสุดแบบนี้
Mà thầy miếng cái nắm nó ngồi.
น้ำมันไม่โชว์เนี่ยปล่อยเตียวโชว์ไก่
Thầy
ก็
tăng
แต่
găng vào pro sơ bẩm chứ.
ปรดตังถ้าไปเขาเราตั้งนะ
Pro tăng đây. Không đâu cả.
ตอนสุดไม่ปูอังคำมวยฮะเสียเดี๋ยวที่เขาทับมีรำลิมนะปลาจับโซนลิมน้ำยาลิมลอยปัตตะโซดรดูมุนพวงแม่ก็มาต้นเราบ้าว้าวว้าวwonderful
Almost ready chứ bro.
กระเปกตัวหันด้วยเขาบอก
Bỏ mình chứ.
ให้ลอยเข้าบุญนะบอส
Thì này chứ.
อ๋อกระปีก็ลอยแกค่ะส่วนใหญ่ก็ต้มก็สูงกว่าต้มห้อง Yes, the song lang ang buwan dia. Kalau hiu nan sal ka mo de de ho. Tau pro so kai has. What? Hek so de. Hek ka pin so yo. So mo ni nghe nha.
Vậy còn lên trên không ngoài dài vẫn bị gắn đâu nữa.
ให้รับทำไมว่าเขาเทคสุยนี่เยอะดีเลยมันร้านเทคสุยเราตัวก็เลยก็หนี
Mà mày ra thôi, làm ngoài không ơi.
รวมนี่ตรงไหนคิดสุดนี่ได้แบบบัวไหมครับ
Sense ho boy. It's almost ready. So we have done cooking and we are arranging to eat. So we're setting everything now. See, this is the pig ear, tongue, and the tail. We have food, some food here, rice. Here, and I'm going to do mukbang with this guy. My friend.
Best chef ever walking on this planet.
And even we have set up the camera. Hello guys. So we have finished preparing. We have done preparing and setting up the tables for our moving videos. However, the video seems to be very long, so I'm going to make separate videos for the eating show or the mukbang part. Please check out the link on the description here and here. And yeah, in these videos you will see, like, we have shown you how we prepare, setting up the tables, cooking, everything is done here. Although it's not detailed, you can check it out. And for the full eating shows, please check it out on our next videos. Thank you, saranghae.